Hey guys, I want to share something personal today. 4 years, I struggled with stubborn belly fat. I was eating clean, working out, but nothing worked. I felt frustrated, tired, and honestly, hopeless. But then I discovered something that changed everything. A supplement called Sleep Lean. I realized my problem wasn't my diet, it was my sleep. I was scrolling on my phone late at night, sleeping badly, and my body just wouldn't let go of fat. That's when I tried Sleep Lean. Within the first week, I noticed I was sleeping deeper and waking up more refreshed. After a month, I saw changes in my waistline I hadn't seen in years. So what is Sleep Lean? It's a natural formula that helps your body burn fat while improving your sleep. Just 2 capsules before bed, that's it. It works by combining 8 natural ingredients that target sleep, hormones, and metabolism. Things like valerian, hops, 5-HTP, berberine, spirulina, and more. These ingredients calm your body, regulate appetite, and support overnight fat burning. For me, the results were clear: better sleep, more energy during the day, and real fat loss. And I'm not alone. Thousands of others are seeing results too. And with a 90-day guarantee, you've got nothing to lose. If you order 3 or 6 bottles, you also get free bonus guides. First guide is the Complete Anti-Aging Formula. This guide helps to kickstart your Sleep Lean journey and reverse the aging process with the actionable blueprint for youthful skin, mind, and body. Second one is Unshakable Confidence. This focuses on easy-to-learn daily technique to fill your mind with positive thoughts and feelings and remove any self-doubt and negativity instantly, plus 1 simple trick that you can do right now to feel at ease in business, romance, or any other area of your life. And the 6-bottle package gives you free US shipping. So if you've been stuck like I was, and you're ready to finally see progress, click the link in the description or a pinned comment. Order your bottles of Sleep Lean and start letting your body do the hard work overnight. Trust me, you'll thank yourself in the morning. At One Review, we review the best deal for you. We love discovering the best deals and product tips for our viewers. Please hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss out on honest reviews, top recommendations, and exclusive offers to save you time and money. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.